So welcome back to the channel, guys. The strategy I'm about to reveal to you right here in today's video is not only going to make you earn money right here with this platform called CPA Grape right now, you're also going to be earning some cool cash right now with this platform also called Amazon right here. So stick on right here as we dive right into this strategy, and without much introduction, let's cut right to the chase. Now, you may be familiar with this platform called Amazon.com. That is a platform whereby you could go on to shopping online and getting all sorts of cool products right there. Name it, you're gonna get it on this platform. Now on Amazon right now, you can get virtually any stuff right there which you're looking for, and once you do get such stuff right there, maybe I want to just simply search for something related to gaming accessories. You can see some mouse right now, gaming mouse and the rest. Maybe if I just select this one right here, I can actually go on to see much more details to this particular mouse right now. Now for people that are actually registered to become an Amazon affiliate marketer, they can actually get a cool and amazing link to this particular product and go on to promoting that. And how do you become an Amazon affiliate marketer? You just want to come onto this platform right here called the Amazon Associate, which is actually by going onto the platform called the affiliate-program.amazon.com. Whenever you come onto this platform, guys, so with this platform right here, guys, you just need to come right here, sign up to the platform, recommend some cool Amazon products, and you start earning some cool cash right now. You can earn up to 10% in associate commission for qualifying purchases and programs. Their competitive conversion rate helps maximize your earning. And the cool thing right here about Amazon Associate or becoming an Amazon affiliate marketer is that irrespective of the product which you do purchase, once individuals click on your link and they actually go on to Amazon right there using your link, regardless of whether or not they actually purchase that exact same product you are promoting, maybe they actually do go on to checking out other products right there on Amazon, and if they do go on to purchasing any other product, you're also going to get some cool affiliate commission within, that is, if they do purchase that product within the first 24 hours of clicking your link. Now that's actually some cool way to make money online. So if they purchase about 100 products, you're going to be getting commission for each and every one of those products right now. So that's cool right now. Once you register for an Amazon Associate, you'll be able to get an Amazon Associate stripe in this particular section, of which if you do get that, you'll be able to get a link to this product. You just need to head on to a CPA marketing platform, which I'm going to be utilizing CPA Grape right now. If you do go to CPA Grape, create an account and log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, you want to come onto the URL file section. By coming to this section, click on monetization tool, select the URL file locker, come onto this section, create a new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you want to just simply paste the link to that particular product you are promoting right here in this URL locker section. Now if you do go to grabbing the link and paste that in this section, you want to just simply select a template. Maybe you can actually do edit this to actually fit into maybe the captcha locker. That is a cool one to actually use right now. For this, you can just simply go back to general, name this something related to that particular product. Maybe I can just simply name it something like Amazon product right now. You want to just simply edit this, like complete the captcha below to continue. That's okay. Now you could actually change the background of this section, but I'll leave that for another day so as not to take much of our time. Once you've created your locker, you want to just simply click on save. Your locker will actually get created, and you can just simply get an affiliate link to this URL file locker by clicking on get link. You can see the link right here, copy the link, and next you want to create a landing page. Now you can take a look at this landing page I created right now for an Amazon product called the Wobble Wag ball, and this is a Wobble Wag giggle ball for dogs. You can actually do see how the page looks like. Once people actually do come right here, click on this limited time offer, is automatically going to take them to my CPA URL file locker, which they need to complete an offer first, of which if they do complete an offer, I make some cool affiliate commission, after which is going to redirect them to Amazon where they can purchase that product, and I'll also make affiliate commission from Amazon right now. So this is a two-way earning strategy. So once you actually do create a very cool and amazing landing page for this, I did that using this particular platform called Google Sites. You can also do that right now. I'm not going to walk you through how to do just that because I have tutorial videos on my channel that shows you how to do that. To gain access to such videos, come onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and just simply type in landing page. Now once you do go on to typing in landing page right now and click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool and amazing videos I created for you. Now check out these videos right now. This one shows you how to create a landing page with systemy.io, this with Google Sites, this with Webflow, and this with breezy.io. So check out the videos. They could actually help you go on to creating cool and amazing landing pages right now. Now once you've created a landing page, you want to just simply promote that with platforms like Facebook right now. You could go on to targeting Facebook groups right here. Maybe if I do go on to the group section, I may want to just simply target groups related to dog. Now I can just simply search for dog lover. Now you can see right here, these are actually groups for dog lovers right now. Now you can see all these groups are actually for people interested or people that actually love their dogs, and they will be actually interested in purchasing this particular wobble wag giggle ball right now for dogs. So if you're actually promoting that on such groups, you can actually start making some cool affiliate commission. Now you can also utilize another cool strategy right here by utilizing platforms like Pinterest right now. Pinterest is also a very cool platform that gets a lot of huge traffic. At average, Pinterest gets about 1.2 billion visits every single month. That's a huge amount of traffic, so you can leverage such traffic to also make money online. And Pinterest have something that is actually called the trends.pinterest.com, otherwise known as Pinterest Trends. This is a very cool website that helps you to know what is actually trending right now on Pinterest. You can see what is trending on Pinterest is actually stuff related to spring outfits, prom hairstyles, summer nails, color, character, prom nails, place, prom hair, and a lot more other cool stuff related to that. Now you could take note that most of these stuff right now are actually kind of female related. That is to tell you that Pinterest is actually a platform that is dominated by females. So a lot of females are on the platform, which is why you may want to just simply get something cool from Amazon that's actually female oriented, that females can easily go on to purchasing, and you can just simply use the Pinterest trends to know what you can actually go on to promoting on Pinterest. Now on Pinterest right here, you can see that there are a lot of cool and amazing pins right now that you could just simply see and use as a guide to go on to creating yours. And you could just simply leverage the platform called the canva.com to create a Pinterest pin. In order for you to do that, you just need to head on to Canva right now, come onto this search section, and you want to just simply type in Pinterest pin. So if I do search for the Pinterest pin right now, as you can see, once it loads up, I'll be able to see a lot of Pinterest pin templates. Now you can see all these templates right now are actually editable. You just need to go into selecting a template. Maybe if I just select this one right now, I'm just going to click on customize this template. It's automatically going to redirect me to a new tab of which I can just simply edit that template to fit into my preference. As you can see, everything in this template can actually be edited. I can edit this text, I can edit this book, edit and continue editing based on my preference right here. As you can see, everything on this template is editable right now. You can make use of the elements section where you can go into searching for cool elements. You can add text, check your brands, upload some cool and amazing content like images, videos, and audio that you may want to utilize for this. You can actually go on to drawing. You can also add project, check out your projects, and use some of Canva app right now to actually edit and create a very cool Pinterest pin that you can just simply utilize to promote your Amazon affiliate marketing product or your CPA marketing offer in the process. Now this is a cool strategy as you'll be earning money right now with both Amazon and CPA marketing. And if you want to just simply gain more details about how this works, just simply leave a comment in the comment section down below right now. So that's it for now. I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.